welcome. It's a great opportunity to welcome awareness and be friendly to yourself. And bring awareness to the energy flowing through the body. Being gentle is all that is required. Gentleness. Like the light drops of rain. All of the energy that's going on with all of the diverse feelings, let it all in. I welcome the energy. I welcome life. Let it be as it is. Let it change when it changes. Let its nature be transformative. You may find you're much more present after that. We can bring our attention to particular energies with the intention of releasing them, letting them free. You may go back to the wild, like releasing a caged animal back to its natural habitat and bring yourself back to your natural energy. Your nature is like a child, free flowing joy. That's the base layer underneath all of the layers of energy that have solidified and been repressed. Once those are lifted, that base layer of inner childlike joy, that's your true nature that can blossom like a flower. It's so joyful even simply thinking about it. So let's direct our energy to oneness. Bring our attention to one particular specificity, and that's an energy. We're going to find and dedicate ourselves to one of those layers that are pressing down on our base layer of joy. We're going to, as if, massage it to stimulate its circulation and release it to the wild, as the metaphor goes. The energy is fear. Focus your attention on that word. Perhaps your one-pointedness of attention can be on an actual image of the word fear. Be welcoming to that image of the word fear. Welcome, neighbor. Speak kindly to your attention on fear. Speak gently to the fear. You will notice your awareness expands gradually to encompass, to include this attention to fear. And you can whisper the word or speak it softly. Or say it silently within your mind. Fear. And notice any changes in the energy of your body when you have attention on fear. We are bringing friendliness to our fears. The fears are like little creatures that have been treated cruelly, caged up creatures, conditioned with fear. And we are bringing love to the fears. So many forms within the form of fear. Yes, forms within forms. Forms of fear such as the fear of being in a car crash, bring friendliness to this fear. Then the fear is no longer there. It's been released back into the forest where there is the magic of possibilities. It's a wonderful exercise that can be done with any labels, such as the work done on fear. There are countless labels, and as I was alluding to briefly, the forms of fear, there are also forms of other energies that are labeled. There are forms of anxiety, forms of uncertainty, forms of being absent of love, essentially. And we are bringing our homemade cookies, so to speak, to the fears and similar forms of energy. And they are free, like pixie dust, blown into the air, and sayonara, let out and let off, so that you may be lighter, more in touch with your God-given talent, as well as your purpose to love one another as Jesus Christ loved us and continues to love us. God bless you. You are remarkable. You have a remarkable ability to attend to your needs, and out of that, thrive from your leadership to be loving for others in need. Easter is coming. Christ has risen.